Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today we are going to create Google on Coder.org app lab. So in previous app lab tutorial, I have showed you how to create a ticket calculating app, and in this video we will create Google. So let's take a preview that what we are going to create. So what does Google look like? It has a banner, it has a text input box, and then it search it. So same like here, we have a input box. You can write anything like whatever you want to search. Suppose I want to search animals, and then I submit. Then it asks, okay, click on submit. Then it asks some permissions, and then it go to that particular page. So what is new in this website? What is new in this app? Because um that it it get to know that where we want to go, and it open that particular Google page. So that is a bit different. So let's start creating. So for creating, you have to go to co.org website, and then click on create, and then select app lab. So it will create a new fresh project for you. So let's start. Let's go to design first. Always, if you start creating any application on code.org, so in app lab, so first we have to do styling. So let's style it. You can select your way. We can give a backdrop color. Perfect. Drag a button for the background purpose. A bit thinner and fine. Button back BG. The ID. Text will be null, means nothing. And background color, we can also customize the background color. Okay, so we can go down, scroll down, and then select the fine. Now ABC label, we can put it white. White will look more good. White will look more good. Now select a ABC input. The ID will be label underscore header. Color black, of course. Black will look more better. Text will be Google. Fine, we can make it a little bit bigger heading. So we can make it bigger. Now drag a image component from the list, and then image one is fine. Let's select the icon. I always use icons because it is fast and we get variety in it. So we can select a Google icon. It has a list, you can also search for it. Now we want a text input box. Drag it and make it a little bit bigger. We can name it here text input, fine. Placeholder will be Google or search. Backdrop, background color will be cyan. What's this? Okay, cyan, fine. And text color will be blue. Okay, so now we want to drag a button. We can name it as button, and text will be submit or go. We can make it a little bit rounder so that our app will look more beautiful or more traditional. Go, fine. Font size a little bit bigger. Perfect. So now we are done with the styling of this application. Now we can go to code. So in previous how to make a calculator, we have learned about variables. So we can start creating with a variable name search. search, and keep it we'll keep it empty till now because we will update it afterwards. Then we will create on event function. What we can exactly do, we can go to design of this button, events, and then insert and show code. This is the easy method, is or more compatible method, and function will be nothing. Button click, fine. Now whenever this go button will click, it will fetch the data from this input. We have also learned about it in the calculator app. We will fetch the data from the input box. So get search equals to, we will updating our variables, equal to get uh, text. It will get the text which will be inside text input. Yeah, so it will fetch the data from it. And then now came the main thing. So after pressing it, it will fetch the data from the text input. Now it has to like navigate to the that particular page. So that's something different which we have not learned about it till now. So now let me show you an example. I will prefer you to choose Yahoo, go to yahoo.com. Okay, so now understanding the link. This is yahoo.com and search. So now you can see here's a long URL, and after that there is URI. So this is the search which we have searched. Okay, so if we added this search, um, so it will add it in this bar also. YouTube, it will search at this search. So this is the link. How does the Yahoo generate its link? So this is the final output which we have shared. So now what we have to do, we have to copy this whole link, and why I will prefer you to choose the yahoo.com because the links which yahoo.com generate is quite easy from other search engines. Now we'll create a variable Google, and we will use the string concatenation, and we will keep the value of that URI, what we have fetched from, which we have copied from it, and then string concatenation, and the variable search, then semicolon. So now what we have done exactly here is we have created a variable Google and keep the value of it, the link, but we have then after that search means whatever the user will put the value inside it, it will just store that value in the search, and then it will Google variable will fetch it here, will add it here. So it will navigate to that particular page. So now we have already created a variable. Now we want to navigate to that particular screen. So for that, if you are using code.org and you have to navigate to any external website which is not code.org, so you have to use a function open, um yes, actually it is open URL open. So now you have to put the URL, so we can simply write here Google, so it will refer to that particular page. So if I run my program, write anything, suppose Gmail, go, it will ask permission because it is not code.org, it has linked to that page. So this is how we can create Google, and this is the very easy method. We have not too much code. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like it, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah, if you want to see the full page output, so you can understanding the links, we have understand the link till now, you can just remove this edit here, then you will just transfer to that particular page. This is a full output screen. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep in touch. We'll catch you next video. Till then, see you soon.